and welcome to another 6-gun recipe. Today I'm making an easy tossed potato salad. So if you're sitting out there, or if you just want an easy recipe to cook at home, you need parboiled baby potatoes cut in half, because this is an easy recipe. We're not going to peel potatoes. You need some red onions, as easy as that. You need some grated cucumbers or pickles. So today I've been using pickles, some Meister Club, honey and mustard sauce. This you add according to your desire. Some people prefer more, some people prefer less. I'm a saucy guy, so I'm going to be generous. And then you need to season. For my seasoning, 6-gun grill. Also be generous, it's potatoes. And then I'm going to mix. Potato salad is ready. I'm just going to pour it in a dish. And this is ready to serve to your guests. But the proof is in the pudding.